Hi, this is Kat with Beadaholique, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make a DIY mask holder. Now today I'm going to be using some stainless steel chain, and I've got a nice thick chain here because I thought it would add a little extra sort of embellishment to it. We do have thinner chains if that is more your desire, but I'm going to be using this really nice stainless steel chain. And I have some stainless steel jump rings here. I have 2 jump rings, and these are 5mm 19 gauge, and then I also have some stainless steel lobster clasps. So this is all you're going to need, and I'm going to be using 2 pairs of chain nose pliers for this. So I have my little mask here, so I'm just going to set that aside for a moment. And the great thing is, and I want to show this to you about this particular chain, and another reason why I chose it, is if you look really closely here, you can see that there's a little seam at the top. Now, what that does is that actually allows for you to use it like a jump ring. So let's say you didn't have any jump rings, or you wanted to adjust the length of your chain. You don't need to cut the links, so you don't even need flush cutters for this. You can actually just open and close that like a jump ring. But I'm going to use a couple of little jump rings here just because they're nice and small and they fit into my lobster clasp. So all I need to do is just take my jump rings here, and mine are already pre-opened a little bit, but I'm going to open them just a little bit wider. So just give it a nice little gentle twist. There we go. Slide it onto one end of my chain, slide on one lobster clasp, and then I can come back in with my other set of chain nose pliers and just sort of close that up. Now stainless steel is going to be nice and strong, so just get a really good grip there. And then all you're going to need to do is just repeat that on the other side. Slip it onto the chain. Slip on your lobster clasp. Close that back up. All right, so now on my mask, let me just sort of flip it over here onto the back. You can just open up your little lobsters, slide it onto the mask. And the nice thing is if you're using a disposable mask or even a mask that you wash, you can utilize this, and you can actually clean your stainless steel chain with just a little bit of mild soap and water, so you can sanitize that as well. But this can just go right over your neck and hang, and you will never lose your mask. So that is how to make a DIY mask holder using stainless steel chain. You can get all of these supplies and see even more tutorial videos by heading over to Beadaholique.com.